Hey guys, it's us, Matt. You know what time it is. Shoutouts! First shoutout and only shoutout goes to lovely Tanyao. Tanya. Oh, I don't know, but you're lovely. Check out her channel down below. Link. If you would like a shoutout, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Oh my god.
What a disaster.
Vic, I don't think I can go out today, man.
Why not?
If you look at my kitchen, it's a disaster.
Okay, so how do you clean it up?
Step 1. As you can see, we have previously washed dishes. Let's put them away in their appropriate places. Cutlery. Cutlery. Next step, containers and lids. Grab all the lids to the containers. First drawer. Now the containers. Try to make them go inside each other. See? Next. These things. Salad bowls. Make sure you have plenty spares. You never know when you're gonna need salad bowls. Next step, washing the dishes. First part to that, gloves. Next step, any container that has remaining disgusting food in it, throw it out. Next step, prepare the sink for the rinse side. Our next step, we apply Dawn to the sponge and get it nice and soapy. That's what you're looking for. Now, as you can see, this might not be a job for the sponge. So what we'll do is we'll take in his best friend, Afro Man. Fast motions, starting from the top, working your way down. Now going up and down. Make sure you hit the sides. Make sure you hit the sides. Good. Rinse. Now we can take our sponge and clean the rest of the pot, pan, tray. Rinse. That's pretty much what you're gonna do with all the dishes. Let's fast forward now to when all the dishes are done. Fold everything. See? Stupid gloves. Next step, the floor. Disgusting. You want proof? I'll show you. It's disgusting. Time to vacuum. Take the rear end and put it in the hole. Before we vacuum, you have to check the suction. It's good. It's really good. It's really good. It's perfect. Time to die, dust and crumbs. And that is how you clean your kitchen. Hey, guess what, Victor?
What?
We can go out for lunch now.
Yay!
Yeah.
If you're having problems at home and you're feeling alone, you can always ask Matt.